right, Megan Knight, yes, definitely good advice, as we're definitely going to be dealing with some gusty, blustery conditions for today. Wind advisory in effect. National Weather Service has issued that until 8 o'clock this evening for the eastern shore. So it's going to linger all day long, and the wind, that's what I'm talking about. We'll have gusts today up to about 50 miles an hour in some spots, and we are going to continue with the windy conditions even as we head into tomorrow. So we just cannot get out of the wind grasp, but temperatures are cold this morning on their own. We're looking at temperatures coming in at 17 degrees right now in Parkton, 16 degrees in Westminster, 18 in Columbia this morning, and the low 20s really everywhere else. So you do need to bundle up, not necessarily for those temperatures, but for the wind chill. And this is what it's going to feel like with those winds out there and with the cold temperatures. So it feels more like the single digits pretty much everywhere. We're talking about below zero in Parkton this morning, 2 below zero. So again, quite cold. You're really going to have to dust off all those winter clothes and put them on, because we're talking about temperatures that are very, very cold out there this morning, even frigid, in fact, feeling. Now, radar and satellite composite not picking up on a whole lot, but I am going to keep the chance for a few snow showers in here. Yes, dealing with some lake effect snow. Some of those bands could get their way all the way down here, make their way all the way down here as we go through the morning, afternoon hours as well. Not going to be dealing with a whole lot of sunshine for today. You want the sunshine, we'll have to really wait until tomorrow. Cold and windy, cold and blustery for today as that area of low pressure, that nor'easter, has made its way out of here, and in its wake, yeah, the cold, the wind, that's going to be the story of the day. Now, ABC2's most accurate futurecast. This goes into motion, and it does pick up on some clouds as the day goes along. Also going to be picking up on, again, mostly sunny skies as we head towards your Thursday and also even your Friday. But this is what we look like as we go through the rest of the day. Again, frigid conditions. That's the way it's going to feel. It's going to feel much colder as the day goes along as well. Gusty conditions. I have a high temperature today coming in at 31 degrees when we should be at 53 degrees now for this time of the year. So by the afternoon, that 31 is going to feel more like we're in the teens.